Good afternoon, YouTubers. Been a while. I've been up to a little bit in the shed. Got a few things accomplished since the last time we chatted. I've got the 1200 motor here back under sparkles, and I've only had one small test ride since I put it back in, and that was only about 15-20 k's. So today I thought I might try and go a little bit further, see I'm all suited up. Made me phone. So we're going to just a quick discussion on what I've done. If you don't like my discussion, it's okay. Not forcing you to listen to me, but put that on there. There we go. Hopefully she fires up after the ride yesterday. Oh, a little bit choke. So cold start. Usually I let it warm up for a little bit before I go anyway. But she's running fine. I've had this motor on the bench a few times. I've rebuilt new rings, new cam chain, new starter chain, a couple of other bits and pieces, and got to put that in the bike, and the starter clutch decided it wouldn't work. So back out of the bike, back onto the bench. Got a known good starter clutch, put that in, put it together, back in the bike, and then the only one running through cylinders, and I couldn't figure out why. Turned out it was my carbs. Oops, we stopped. I blocked carb. I had a spare set of carbs there which I put in, fixed the issue. Yesterday, it seemed to run fine, went well through all, from 2000 RPM right up to 7 or 8. I didn't want to do that too much, so as I said, it's a freshly rebuilt motor. Let's go have a quick flat. So today is just a little bit of a longer test ride. Hopefully she all goes well. It's a beautiful winter's day here in Grafton. Low to mid-20s. Awesome day for a bike ride. Tried to come over a little cloud in there, but still a beautiful day. Don't mind winter days like this. Get a few K in his motor, and I'll trip the oil out of it, put fresh water oil in, fresh filters and that sort of thing. I know when you're breaking the motor in, you'll get some very fine metal. There's just some new rings rubbing in. There's some track work happening up here. The trains. This thing is running, compared to what it was, really well. It's actually probably a lot closer to the claimed 120 horsepower was running forward. Used to have about 110 psi compression. Now it's running at about 140 on all cylinders. It's quite punchy now. So now I'll shut up and let you guys enjoy the scenery. I can try and post a few other little videos. I haven't done anything for a long time. We're doing some bathing in the airport. Historic bridge I've got on this bike. The logbook looks not good in, I get pulled up by the police. And maybe consider it to be riding unregistered and uninsured. Find somewhere all over here. Before the logbooking. Quickly. It's a club bridge out here in New South Wales where I live. Got to pay for it, got to be a member of the club obviously. As long as the bike's more than 25 years old, it classifies. And you can get it registered, you get a special historic plate. Get a little logbook like this to fill in. You get 60 days a year to ride, which is modest more than every weekend. 009 0624. And once all that's done, the actual registration cost is only about $60 or $70 a year, so it makes it very economical. And then if you get 2 or 3 stroke bikes, you only paying $60 or $70 a year each, and so the full wedge average is like $600 a year. So it's all good. Alright. I'll start, there we go. Didn't think it was going to start there for a second, really good. like to have it sometime, but again, 5 is what you got. Alrighty, let's see, adjust that camera a little bit, there we go. So let's do a review of where we're up to. So, 1100 motor out of Sparkle, I'll start that again, 1200 motor that was in Sparkle. What have I done to it? We pulled it out, we split the cases, new cam chain, new timing chain, new rings, new valve stem seals, new second-hand starter clutch, all new seals throughout, basically full rebuild of everything except for the bearings, which were in excellent condition. The bike back in the motor's back in the bike. I've got the carbs off the project bike over here now on this one because the other carbs are blocked up and need a rebuild, which I will do in the near future. So hopefully this is everything. The Sparkle's done again, until, well, touch wood, the next thing breaks, which I hope won't be for quite some time. This motor here, I've put another couple 100 Ks on it. I'll drop the oil, so put some fresh oil in it, and everything check over. I think I've got a little leak in the crank seal on the left hand side of the motor. Not a big issue, I've got another one there I can chuck in. So I mustn't have just seated it properly when I put it back together. No biggie. So in the future, what have we got? The Project 1100, I have to put the motor on the bench. I would like to split the motor, fix the second gear issue in it. Now that I know how to do a rebuild, I might do rings and valve stem seals in it as well. Sounds like a big daunting job, but now I've done it once, it's not too bad. Just follow the book. Not sure when the next video will come. I'll try and do a few more ride videos and things. Got a few projects with the ute to come along. That's it. In the meantime, guys, press like and subscribe, costs you nothing. I wouldn't mind seeing this channel grow. I've got to be a bit more regular with the videos. Until then, ride safe. I'll catch you around.